Welcome to Spray Shack. Just to give you a little bit more information about what this is used for. So obviously it's just a power cable, but it's to power the xBox One Kinect sensor. So if you're trying to make your own SLS camera, this is one of the things you're going to need. Yeah, we do get quite a few customers that have got an old Xbox 360, and they've already got the Kinect, so they'll then need this cable. And they'll also need the software, so it'll only work on a Windows device as an SLS camera, so you will need a Windows tablet, laptop, PC to install the Windows software on, and you will also need to go with this, the Kinect itself. Yes, so all in all you need the Kinect, the power cable and the software. So I'll just show you how this connects. So you've got three connections on here. You've got the USB, you've got the connection for this Kinect, and you've got your mains power. So all of them have to be plugged in. So that's the Kinect sensor plugged in. You plug this into the mains power, you plug this into your Windows device with the software installed, and then you've got yourself an SLS camera. You can get an adapter. This is just a standard USB 2, but you can get an adapter to convert this to either a micro USB or into a USB-C if it's a tablet or something, because most of them don't have the standard USB. Yep, so this video is literally just for this product, but yeah, we also sell the other bits separately as well. I'll leave a link to buy this product in the video description, and thanks for watching.